is quite delightful to see a young girl whose dreams, whose journey towards creative pursuits is supported wholeheartedly by not only her family, but also the educational institution that she takes pride in. Today, in a situation where families and individuals are recognizing the need to leverage technology to strengthen not only ties which are familial but also societal. The fact that a young girl write about empathy, and in a time where so many of us have seen the loss of loved ones, I think that that fusion between technology and empath, creative pursuits, and the blessings of elders is what today's program is all about. The pride with which Mr. Gupta has pronounced the words about Riya's journey, I think is a pride that is shared by many who have joined her journey, appreciated her work. I can only say this much as a mother of two girls and a very, very infant terrible of a boy, that for me it's a prouder moment yet that young girls today at a very early age are expressing themselves creatively on issues which are not individual in nature, but have a wider impact, not only on their gender, but also in the times that they live in. I am also today taking this opportunity to compliment her teachers, because for a young girl to pursue such desires and dreams in a competitive academic world is a manifestation not only of support from her family, but also the teaching system that she has been blessed with, which does not designate a child's academic pursuits only to the curriculum. So my heartiest congratulations to Ria's family and her academic establishment. Well done for contributing to a better future by giving us citizens such as this young girl who has written a love.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Sarang. This is the kindest that a principal has ever been to me. And I think that Ria should consider herself lucky that you are a part of an academic institution that does not force you to only pursue marks. It actually encourages you to make a mark in life. To not only Ria, her loving family, but also the academic institution that is today allowed her to share her work with a wider audience. For the students and the parents who have joined us today in this platform, in this meeting, my best wishes to all of you in your pursuits, not only of knowledge, but also excellence. There are many parents amongst us, I being one, who want the best for our child. A bigger house, a better bank balance than we could ever have, a better car, better prospects. But I think the one thing that the pandemic has taught us, गाड़ी बंगला सब ठीक, पर रिश्तों के लिए कोई भी प्यार के लिए, सम्मान के लिए, वैल्यूज के लिए कोई भी आपको चीज सब्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं मिलेगी. So while you pursue excellence, while you pursue success, be empathetic not only to those that you meet, but also those on the shoulders of whom you stand. My best wishes, Ria, again to you and to all your classmates, to all the students who've joined us today. My gratitude to the parents who have trusted Ria, who have put her in an academic institution after carefully considering the fact that you don't want your child to be just a mark chaser, but you want your child to enjoy the full potential of her life. So,
our guest of honor, Mr. Ketan Gupta, has been a source of inspiration for Ria. May I request you, sir, to say a few words on this case?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Like I said earlier, it's like a dream come true for Ria because she had this vision of writing a book since quite a long time, and now it's finally come to reality. And this day is going to be etched in her life. It's one of the best days of her life, and our support always is there and will be there. And with your blessings and with the blessings of Smriti ma'am, I think she will reach her heights where she deserves to be. Thank you.
I came here not to humor a child, but I came here to support a creator who has done stupendously well through her poetry. So
Ma'am,
congrats.
you're an inspiration. So thank you so much for being here for me.
Thank you so much. This means a lot to all of us. Thank you, Smriti ma'am. Thank you. Okay, congratulations, Ria. Your book is officially launched now. Congratulations,
Thank you.
Mrs. Shukla, Mrs. Sarang.
Yeah.
Congratulations to the proud parents.
Yes.
Yes,
We
of
also
course, of course.
Yes.
So congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
And
ma'am.
thank you for being here. Even Ria's parents, thank you. And for motivating her all the time. Ria is a very strong girl. So, she's very determined and she achieves what she wants to achieve. So I'm sure we are really proud of her, and I'm sure she's going to take up her passion in a very big way. So thank you, all of you.